actually editing this video right now. I'm in the garage. I filmed this whole video and never made an intro for it. So I filmed 2 POV views with the TL. The first view you guys are gonna see is actually with the Osmo and this tilt mount. It's kind of like a Steadicam view. It's interesting. I'm not sure if I love it, but I figured I'd try it out. If you want to skip to the GoPro stuff, just go to this time right here and you can just get past the Osmo stuff. If you guys could drop a like at some point in this video, it really helps with the algorithm. I really want to grow the channel this summer, so we'll jump into the POV drive of the TL. All right, fellas, we're gonna replace the power steering pump O-rings because they're making a whole lot of noise in there. There's one under here. We gotta get this neck off, and there's just one bolt underneath here. Oh yeah. We got some OEM seals here. They were really overpriced. Are we filming? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. All right, suckers, we're just greasing up this JIT. Put the seal on. This is what Honda master technicians do. Drop her down, just like that. That's techie.
We'll get our 2 different bolts that are different.
And they're different OEM bolts, obviously, you can tell.
Oh yeah, spinning her with a finger.
Alright, what is happening, boys? We're actually going to be doing a secondary cat-delete on the Cayenne, so I won't have my daily today, which is very sad, but this thing should sound pretty cool. I've heard that this is the go-to for Cayenne GTSs. It's basically stock when you have the valves closed, and then open, it's actually pretty loud. I will get some sound clips for you guys. I'll do a little rip with the windows down here, just so you can see what it's like with the windows open a bit. This is probably the loudest it'll be, and this is driving aggressively too. Sounds good, it's just not like crazy. I'll roll the windows up. I'm still in sport mode, I'm in 6th gear, doing 80 kilometers an hour. You literally can't tell a difference. Like, I can still talk to you guys, I can hear. I'm redlined, I can have a conversation. It does sound good though. If you're worried about it being too loud a daily after the secondary cat-delete, don't worry about it. It really hasn't changed much inside the car. It kind of just sounds like how it should come from the factory, if anything. It does feel fast though. Damn.
I feel like this guy's still killing it.
I feel like this guy's fucking with us, to be honest with you.
So I have clutches, fuel system, like I got like all the parts in my house. I just gotta put them on, bump it up to like maybe 1250 to the wheels.
That would be crazy.
Yeah.
Man. That's when you're like gonna start breaking four loose. You started to fit it. You can see you hit it.
Yeah, man.
I just realized this looks like a lot of LZ glaze. I did a matching leather center armrest in the TL. I think I filmed the end of it, but I never explained what I was doing, so I'll throw that clip in right now. All right, fellas, this is what we're working with. I just took this like shell apart. It's pretty easy. Like there's just a couple screws. You take out the slider and everything. We got this thing installed. It actually looks pretty good. I did a really terrible job, but unless you lift it up, you can't really tell. It matches the Brahms super nicely. It's got the red stitching with black leather. Much better than before, and now it's not purple and faded and gross. Seats, center console, steering wheel, all kind of matches together, so That's pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. I really like it. It cleans up the interior a lot. All right, what's happening, fellas? This thing's like a fishbowl, so this whole like gimbal setup I got going on here is super obvious. People are staring at me. I feel like this thing hasn't been on the channel in a while, so it makes sense to close the video out with this, get a few pulls in real quick. Cayenne sounds amazing. That twin turbo Huracan was crazy. That's super sick. The TL has been running flawlessly. You guys see how much I beat on that thing. I kind of want to go to the smaller pulley. I know I need to go to the dyno and everything, but this thing sounds crazy. Damn. Give me some feedback on which POV view you guys prefer, whether it's the Osmo kind of steady cam or the GoPro setup. I think I like the GoPro setup, to be honest with you. Just it feels more like live action. I like this view too, but it's not as like immersive for you guys. If you guys don't mind dropping a like, I'd really appreciate it. It does help massively on YouTube. I'll catch you guys in the next one.